Looking for the best OBD2 diagnostic tool to keep your car running smoothly? In today's video, we'll explore the top options every car owner should consider. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just want to stay ahead of any potential issues, these tools can help you diagnose problems with ease. From reading error codes to monitoring real-time data, we'll break down the must-have features and what makes these OBD2 scanners stand out. Stay tuned to find out which one is the perfect fit for your vehicle. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. V601 Car OBD2 Scanner. The V601 OBD2 scanner is a powerful tool for vehicle diagnostics. Designed for accuracy and speed, it reads and resets engine codes effortlessly. With support for 35,901 DTCs, it provides detailed insights into your car's health. The 1.8-inch full-color LCD TFT screen ensures crystal-clear display. A bright acrylic protective cover enhances durability, while soft silicone buttons make operation smooth. The 16-pin heavy-duty OBD2 plug ensures a stable connection for reliable diagnostics. An upgraded CPU enables high-speed processing, delivering quick results. The one-click I/M readiness check simplifies emissions testing. Plus, it supports multiple languages, making it user-friendly for everyone. Number 4. Autophix OM126P OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Autophix OM126P, a professional OBD2 diagnostic tool designed for accurate and efficient car diagnostics. With 14 special functions, it scans and erases codes, monitors vehicle performance, and provides detailed reports to help identify issues quickly. The 2.4-inch TFT color screen delivers clear, easy-to-read data, while the silicone keypad ensures smooth navigation. Its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. This tool supports OBD2 and CAN protocols, covering vehicles from 1996 and newer models. It also performs O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, helping improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. With multilingual support in 10 languages, the Autophix OM126P is a must-have for global users. Number 3. Ancel TD700 OBD2 Diagnostic Tool. The Ancel TD700 OBD2 Scanner, the ultimate diagnostic tool for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. This multi-system scanner offers professional-grade diagnostics at an affordable price. With support for a variety of systems, the TD700 checks everything from engine diagnostics to transmission issues, easily identifying problems and helping you pass emissions tests. This tool is perfect for more than just engine checks. It helps with TPMS, ABS, and even battery matching, ensuring your vehicle operates at peak efficiency. The TD700 also handles advanced features like AVC system resets, steering angle calibration, and more, making it a comprehensive diagnostic solution for all your car needs. Number 2. Foxwelll NT630 OBD2 Scanner. The Foxwelll NT630 Plus wireless OBD2 scanner is a powerful, reliable, and affordable tool for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts alike. This all-in-one scan tool excels in diagnostics for ABS, SRS, SAS, and EPB systems. It reads and clears fault codes, turns off warning lights, and provides crucial data to ensure your vehicle is operating efficiently. Notable features include ABS auto-bleeding, essential for safe driving after brake repairs, and SAS calibration for steering wheel alignment. It also supports bidirectional control, allowing active testing of your vehicle's components like ABS and airbag systems. The live vehicle data display can show real-time sensor data, and you can even compare two graphs simultaneously for detailed diagnostics. With Wi-Fi connectivity and lifetime updates, the NT630 Plus ensures you always have the latest software. Plus, it offers multilingual support, making it a versatile choice for users worldwide. Number 1. Launch X431 Elite Automotive Scan Tool. The Launch X431 Elite, a powerful automotive scan tool designed to provide full system diagnostics. This professional device supports a wide range of vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, TPMS, and more. It reads and clears codes, displays live data, and retrieves ECU version information for Audi and other vehicles. With over 30 reset functions, including oil lamp reset and SAS reset, this tool is perfect for daily maintenance. The X431 Elite also offers advanced features like ECU coding, ADAS calibration, and key programming. Plus, its bidirectional control allows for active tests on various systems. Enjoy lifetime free software updates with no subscription fees. The AutoVIN technology quickly detects vehicle information, generating a comprehensive health report. Supporting multiple languages, this versatile tool is an essential companion for any automotive professional.
There was one